If you have traveled through Route 66 in the past couple of months, then you've definitely noticed the extensive traffic control and construction equipment in the area. All of this work is part of Phase 1 of the Foothill Blvd Pavement Rehabilitation Project, which is taking place on parts of Azusa Avenue and Foothill Blvd. Phase 1 is near completion, and you can expect to see the start of Phase 2 in the next couple of weeks. The project runs approximately 1.5 miles in total length along the major corridors of Foothill Blvd from Orange Avenue to Azusa Avenue, and along Azusa Avenue from Foothill Blvd to Citrus Avenue. The first phase of the project will include concrete improvements such as sidewalk replacement, reconstructing ADA curb ramps, replacing uplifted or cracked curb and gutter, non-compliant drive and alley approaches, and the construction of a new concrete bus pad. So pardon our dust while we continue to beautify the wonderful city of Azusa. If you have any questions about the project, you can check our city's webpage under the Engineering Division tab, or you can call our general number at area code 626-812-5212.